Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something exciting to share with you. We are unboxing and reviewing a brand new charger for your brand new Pixel 7a or any other phone that doesn't come with a charger. I will be using it for a Pixel 6a that supports up to 18 watt of PD fast charging, same as the Pixel 7a. Now let's get right into it. Here is the package received from Amazon, and yes, the charger costed me around 700 rupees, which is way cheaper than the official Google charger. And here's the box pack of the charger. You can see some of its key features like LED indicator, multi-protection, durable build, compact design, and a dual USB port. It also says 18 watt fast charging, as this charger can go up to 18 watt of fast charging. PE 2.0, QC 3.0 and PD 3.0 compatible, and Oraimo is the brand name. The Power Cube 3 Pro is the model name of this charging kit. Oraimo branding on the sides. On the back side you can also see the price of 1199 rupees MRP, but currently it is available for 659 rupees. I will leave the purchase link in the description of this video. It also comes with 365 days of warranty. Let's break the seal and check the product itself. It also comes with a Type-C cable of the Oraimo brand, and the charger here with the power indicator on the top and Type-C port on the middle, along with the Type-A USB port. The charger is small and compact in size. You can see the output rating printed, and both the port gives an output up to 18 watt. You can pause the video and check the detailed power output distribution. You can use both the output at once, but the power will be distributed among the two. Now I will show you the test details. The Pixel 6a took almost 2 hours to charge from 6% to 100%. 1 hour and 55 minutes to be exact, and the charge rate went up to 16.3 watt according to the Antutu charging test. The charging speed will vary accordingly with the ambient temperature and the temperature of the phone and battery. But the charging speed provided with this charger is good. It is for the price I've paid. If you have bought the new Pixel 7a and don't want to spend much on a charger, then you can definitely go for it. I have been using this charger since the past 4 months without any issue. There is no interference with the touch and all. If you have a habit of using your phone while charging, which I won't recommend, but if you do so, you can do that. It will work fine. Apart from this charger, if you want from a renowned brand, then there are several options in the market, but I would like to recommend one charger, that is the Samsung 25 watt travel adapter, which costs around 1100 to 1200 rupees, which you can get for your new phone. Well, that's all in this video guys. Subscribe for more video like this. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one.